Hello everybody, I'm here again with my ear brush and my quick release and the adapter. So as I've shown in the last video of my airbrush adapter, I had this quick release, and then I had the adapter which was going in okay here to the quick release. Alright, here, this is how it opens. But the problem was the hole was not coming to it. This airbrush was not getting into my adapter. So what happened was I went to lots of workshop to get this hole bigger, but they didn't have the drill to make this bigger, so I couldn't fix it. So that was the biggest problem I was facing for a long time. I looked around everywhere, but I couldn't find it. So I finally decided to order a set of adapter again. So let me just open this. We're gonna see it right now, whether this one's coming right or not. So here we go. Yeah, small package. Yeah, so as you can see here, I've got two of them here also. So it looks similar. It looks similar, the same thing, but this hole is bigger. So let me just try this if it goes in. So right here in front of you, I'm doing for the first time, and it goes right in. How exciting this is! Wow! Wow! That is amazing. See this? So the adapter is going in, and my quick release is, yeah, see this? See this? So this is how it's gonna work. This is amazing. This is amazing. Can you see this? Can you see this? Oh yeah! So it's good news. I'm planning to start making a video on how to airbrush. So it'll be a series of airbrushing classes, like as I'm also learning. So as I learned, we will all learn together. If you're interested, please subscribe to the channel and follow along as I learn myself using this airbrush and airbrushing together, so we all airbrush together. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Okay, here, this is called thumbs up. Yeah, so please give me a thumbs up for this video, and thank you very much. Thank you for watching this.